How to knit a picot cast on. Hi everyone, my name is Norman and today I want to show you everything you need to know about the picot cast on edge. It creates a beautiful frilly edge that is actually quite easy to knit. Let's show you how to create a picot cast on edge. Start the picot cast on with a simple slip knot, just a simple little slip knot. You don't need to leave a long tail, just one that is long enough for weaving in ends later on. And then we need to cast on 3 stitches using a knitted cast on. So insert your knitting needle into that slip knot, knit 1 stitch, and now don't drop that stitch off the left needle. Instead, you slip that stitch back to the left needle, and I always do it twisted because it's much smoother. And from here, we need 2 more stitches. So knit 1 stitch, and then slip back twisted. Knit 1 stitch, slip back twisted. And from here, we have to bind off 2 stitches straight away. So I knit 2 stitches and then I bind off that 1 stitch. Knit another stitch and bind off the next stitch. And now you can slip back the remaining stitch back to the left needle. And that's already the full picot cast on. Repeat. Let's do it one more time. So cast on 3 stitches with a knitted cast on. And again, I slip these stitches twisted because it's a bit easier for me. And then you need to bind off 2 stitches straight away. 1 and 2. And then slip back the remaining stitch to the left needle. Here are our 2 little picots. Let's do that one more time in slow motion. And once you reached the desired length, you can start knitting across that row as normal, the way you would knit across a normal knitted cast on. Here are a couple of notes. First of all, you can also slip the knitted cast on back to the needle point to point. But I feel that is a bit more cumbersome because you will have to enter the next stitch like this. And that's why I always slip it back like this, because this is just one smooth motion. And because you are binding these stitches off straight away, I feel it really doesn't matter. And the second thing, you can of course also create bigger picots like this one here. And if you want to do that, you simply cast on more stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then you bind off 3 stitches. 1, 2 and 3, to create a somewhat larger picot, and then you cast on another 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 stitches, and bind off these stitches straight away, or rather 3 stitches straight away. Oh, voila. 1 and 2 and 3. And just like that, you created much larger picots. Or you could, of course, also just cast on 1, 2, and 3 stitches, and then bind off just 1 stitch, and then cast on another 3 stitches. If you do it like this, you will create a smaller picot edge that will look like this. I entirely leave it up to you and your creativity to pick the picot edge that suits you and your project best. You can cast on and bind off any combination of stitches according to your preferences. Anyway, that's how to knit a picot cast on. Please like this video if you enjoyed watching, comment with your feedback and your questions, and don't forget to subscribe in case you don't want to miss any new videos. Happy knitting and enjoy the rest of your day.